During World War II, hundreds of British ships were torpedoed and lost. 15 of them were secretly carrying vast reserves of gold intended to fund the war effort. For over 80 years, their location has remained a mystery. But thanks to a breakthrough in satellite technology, plus our 25 years of dedicated research, we now know their precise location. And we know how to recover the gold. We've partnered with a world-class deep-sea salvage team that boasts over 150 years combined experience. We don't need your money, but we do need your voice. Help us spread the word so we can secure the final piece of funding, and we'll give you a stake in one of the greatest gold recoveries in history. Sharing this video will cost you nothing, but your rewards could be substantial. Sign up for free today, because the gold is coming home.